everyone, this is Nick with Gold Coast, and today I'm doing a carpet installation in Carmichael, California. This job, I already got the tack strip laid out, and we're going with an 8-pound pad, and I believe a nylon, and it's a hybrid. It's a mix of loop pile and just a twist, so it has a texture, it has a pattern on it, and that's what we're going to be installing today. Here you can see I'm already getting started. Have my one corner tied off. I got the seam done already, and that's really what took the most time, is just getting the seam right. This room is about 14.5 by 14.5, so we had to run a seam down the left side, and yeah, and we have a closet to install too. And this is the end result after everything is installed. Power stretched in, and can't even tell the seam. The customer is very happy with the work done. It was actually for her mother, an elderly woman, and she loves the carpet too. And that's what we do here at Gold Coast. We make our customers happy, and one room at a time or one house at a time, doesn't matter. We just keep on going and make sure the job is done right. This is Nick with Gold Coast Flooring. I hope you guys enjoy the before and afters on this job. And if you need a carpet install job done in Carmichael, California, give me a call today at 916-312-7000. Thanks for watching.